Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn how to say ice skating in Chinese. 滑冰,滑冰. Hua. Here it's all connected. Hua. Here's the left part. On the right part, there's the top section and the bottom section. The top section, when you do the middle, the little the one stroke in the middle, you need to line up with those two tips, and then when you do the next one, you kind of connect. You kind of close up the top part. And then underneath this little umbrella, you do the bottom part. Hua, Bing. The left side, and here's the right side. The left side, just 2 drops of water. Bing, Hua Bing. Thanks for watching.